right, today we're going to draw a puppy pumpkin. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a big C like this. And then on the other side, a backward C, like this. Okay, and then let's connect it in the middle. And then we're gonna draw a stem. So one line up like this. And then another little line next to it up. And then connect it. All right, so now we're gonna give the puppy pumpkin a face. So first thing we're gonna do is a circle right here for some eyes. Another circle right here for the other eye. And then we're gonna do a line right here, like that. And then bring another line kind of down like a triangle, like an upside down triangle. Another line there. And then from this point right here, come out like a U, like a little U, like that. And then the same thing on the other side, like that. And then bring another little line down under and up. And another one under and up, just like that. And now to the right of the eye, right here, we're gonna do kind of a sideways triangle for his ear, his or her ear. And then on this side, another triangle, like that. And then we're gonna do some whiskers. So you go like this, and like this. 3 lines, and then on this side, 3 lines. And now what I like to do is I like to do some lines coming up like this, right down the center. And then about 2 inches away, another one. Another 2 inches away, another one. And last one here. Another one here. For the texture. All right, oh, maybe a couple more lines right here for the stem. Time to color.
Okay, now can I show me?